Hello, welcome to Someka Commercial Invoice Generator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a commercial invoice easily to create and track invoices of your company. This ready-to-use Excel template makes it easier to issue an invoice and send your customers. Let's start with the explanation of the sections. Basically, the template consists of three main sections: Invoice Generator, Product or Service Database, Invoice Records and Tracking. Firstly, you need to input your product or service info in database section. Then you can create your invoices in the generator section and analyze your past invoices in the record section. Now let's start with the input our product in this database. Before that, we need to identify your units. Because when we edit our product base, unit info is vital part. So as default, I use pieces, set, each, box, kilogram and hours. And responsible person will be recording to the tracking section to be able to follow who created the invoice later on. You can add or remove people from the list. Now in database section, you can write your unique product description and their information. It can be website link or any extra info. Let's create a dummy product as an example. And website link. And I will use kilogram as a unit and $215. And your currency will be appearing here because you have already set your currency on the dashboard. After that, click Generator section. Here is your commercial invoice. First of all, in this section, I will write my essential information. Before, I put in the consignee name, shipper and their addresses in their information, and remarks like Incoterms, HS code, payment and so on. Below, you can select your product or service items from the drop-downs. When you click Draws, you will see your products. Let's select my dummy example from here. As you can see, their extra information like unit, unit price, net price appear on my invoice instantly. And at the bottom of the page, you can see your total, discount, and net total. And also, you can show or hide your total discount from this drop-down. Additionally, you can show discounts on your invoice or hide it. Finally, you can easily export the document as a PDF in order to save in your folder. But if you do not record the invoice before, template will warn you to record it. Click Yes and see your PDF. Yes, invoice is ready. You can also print this PDF. After that, you can check all your past invoices from the tracking section. Here, our dummy product is recording to this section. That's all. I prepared my commercial invoice thanks to this ready-to-use Excel template within a few minutes. You can use this template over and over again for all your products and silence. Thanks for watching and do not forget to check our other invoice generators from Someka website. Thank you.